Hello, I'm the Pickard. A weight of 550 kilos, all independent suspension, a flat plane crank and an aluminium engine and gearbox casing. These are the sort of things we associate with modern sports cars, not usually classic cars. But there is a car design that celebrates its 71st birthday in a moment that has all these things and much, much more. Meet Jolene, my 1963 2CV AZA with a 425cc engine and just 18 horsepower. The 2CV was the first Citroen built under the ownership of Michelin and without the guidance of André Citroen. With suspension from the incredible chassis engineer from Avignon's Vuitton, whose other creations you will pay upwards of 50 million euros for, and an engine designed by the Grand Prix winning engine designer from Talbot Lago, and whose other works will cost you upwards of 50 million euros, and with lines penned by the great Bertoni himself. Thanks to its lightweight, soft suspension, and incredibly simple mechanics, the 2CV was used by the Royal Navy, the SAS, and the French Special Forces. At 6'6", there are few cars that I can actually sit behind myself in, but the 2CV, as small as it is, has room for 4 adult passengers and a boot full of luggage. With 18 horsepower, front-wheel drive, a rollback canvas roof, and seats that can be removed for picnics, most people wouldn't think of the 2CV as much of a driver's car, but oh how wrong they are. So, what's a car with 18 horsepower actually like to drive? When I bought this car, I bought it from an old man in Clermont-Ferrand, where the Michelin factory is, actually round the corner from the Michelin factory. And when he sold the car to me, when I handed him the small pile of cash that I paid for it, he cried. And on the drive home, the 100 miles in the snow through the Rhone Alps, I understood exactly why he was crying, because I would have been crying as well. Because this little car is absolutely fantastic. Although the 1963 is the first 2CV that will actually do 0 to 60, she's not really home on the motorway, especially up long steep drags. But she loves like swoopy little backcountry roads. The sensation of speed driving this thing is brilliant. 18 horsepower doesn't even come into it. The 1963 is the first 2CV model year that will actually do 0 to 60. That's 97 kilometers for all you metric folk. But if you're not looking at the speedo, you never guess how slow you're going. And the other good news is that because it's a half-litre 2-cylinder, the fuel gauge doesn't move much either. The little skinny tyres make very light work of the steering. There is no power steering. Feel how floppy she is. There is no power steering, there is no power brakes. The throttle pedal is a little rod that runs directly to the carburetor, so you can't really have a more manual, more direct car. She's a car that you really have to drive, although because she's got such skinny tyres, you don't have to grab her by the scruff of the neck. A delicate hand is really what's required. You don't have to be rough at all. Turn up here. She really does drive like a rally car, and it's understandable why people would drive them to the desert and why people would think, well, I'll go anywhere in it, because they really are that good. I would happily drive her around the world, literally. She's that capable. And even though she's not so quick uphill, she's fantastic everywhere else, be it off-road or in snow or on soft sand. Although I would put a wider set of tyres on than the skinny 125s that I've got now. It's very frosty. And for a 55-year-old car, she handles brilliantly. And because of the soft suspension, you can pretty much take corners flat out, scaring your inhabitants half to death. You can also drive over speed bumps, level crossings, and pretty much anything else without worrying about it. Sorry, I'm just having a lot of fun here. It's also got one hell of a heater. It's -5 today. But fortunately, this road's got sun on it. I love this thing. I will never sell her. She's absolutely fantastic. Alright guys, if you like Jolene, please let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to click like, it helps the channel massively. And if you'd like to see more videos about Jolene, please click subscribe. Alright guys, be awesome to each other, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Questi giorni quando